Hi everyone, I'm Krishna. Welcome back to my channel. This is our second video in AGN series. And in this video, we will learn more about AGNs. So let's begin. So what is an AGN? In our last video, we talked a lot about galaxies, like the structures, the ties, and a lot many things. But what exactly an AGN? So, AGN is active galactic nucleus. That means here we are talking about the central part of some galaxies. So, some galaxies have supermassive black holes at their center. Actually, on this basis, we can say that there are two kinds of galaxies. One is normal galaxy, another one is active galaxy. So, if the the nucleus of a galaxy is not active, that means it is not radiating any energies or heat, or its spin is zero, then we say that this is a normal galaxy, just like our Milky Way. And if a galaxy is having an active nucleus at the center, that means that center is radiating heat and energy, and it has its maximum spin, that is one, then we call it as active galaxy. And that central part of these active galaxies are called as active galactic nucleus. So now I hope it's clear to you. Now, what is inside an AGN? Obviously, a black hole is there because of its high gravitational pull. It attracts a lot of gas and dust, and this gas and dust revolves around the black hole and eventually drops into it. But this creates a disk-like structure called as accretion disk. And this process generates a lot of heat and energy, and hence this is called as thermal radiation. Another important thing is shade. Some of these AGNs emit something called as shade. Shade are basically some beam of fast moving particles. These particles move as fast as light. That is why the radiations that is emitted from these shades are called as relativistic radiations, or these shades do not emit the heat. That is why these are also called as non-thermal radiation. We will talk about more about this chase and how these radiations are generated in our next lecture. So another more important thing is dusty torus. You can see there is a donut shaped structure in this picture. This is a cloud of gas called as dusty torus. And many more things are there, like bright clouds, these broad line region, narrow line region, and many more things. Okay, let's move forward. Next is Event Horizon Telescope, or EHT. So we all know about telescopes, right? So what is more special about this Event Horizon Telescope, or EHT? So in order to see each and every part of a galaxy, especially the central part, that is our targeted part, AGN, we need a telescope having higher resolution. So in order to have higher resolution, we need a telescope which is a very big, having large diameter, and it should be as big as our earth. So just think about it. Is it really practically possible to build a telescope which is as big as earth? Definitely no, right? And that is why we have placed a lot of telescope all across the globe, and we gather the information of each and every telescopes, and then we get a clear picture of a targeted object. So this Event Horizon Telescope in 2019 first gave us the picture of a black hole. It is interesting, right? And by using this Event Horizon Telescope, or the process of interferometry, we get data of our AGN. It is interesting. Let's talk about different types of AGNs. So, you can classify AGN on the basis of your own viewing angle. It means you can look at the same AGN from different angles and you can name them differently. It is interesting, right? So this is called as unification model of AGN. So if you look at it from the side, you can call it Seyfert. If you are looking it from the front, it is a quasar. And if the J's are facing straight to you, it's a blazar. And if it is emitting a lot of radio jets, then you can call it as a radio galaxy. So here is a picture that is showing different types of AGN. So this was all about today. Thank you so much and stay tuned. Bye bye.